What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that at a constant temperature, current flowing through an element is directly proportional to the voltage drop across it. To understand Ohm's law, let's consider an electric bulb and a battery of voltage V connected together by wires. Now, in order to measure the amount of current I flowing through the circuit, let's connect an ammeter. Similarly, in order to measure the voltage drop Vd, let's connect a voltmeter across the bulb. For the bulb at constant temperature, let's plot a graph between the amount of current flowing through it and the voltage drop across it. Now, as we increase the voltage of the battery, we see that the amount of current flowing through the bulb and the voltage drop across it also increase uniformly. The straight line on the graph implies that the current flowing is directly proportional to the voltage drop. Thus, we can say that the bulb follows Ohm's law. Mathematically, Ohm's law is expressed as where I is the current flowing through the element, V the voltage drop across the element, and R the resistance of the element. Note that the materials which follow Ohm's law are called ohmic material. The related term is